Hey there, my name is Will, and this is a little audition for your part of the British monkey. I assumed by British you meant sort of as top hat, um, briefcase, sort of buck teeth, tea drinking Londoner. So that's sort of accent I went for. My voice isn't that far from it, I don't think, so it wasn't that hard. But yeah, I'll see what you think. Hopefully you like it. Not hanging out with you, old bean. Bloody twits. I've got a pair of jacks. Pardon me? Blimey, you got him good. I think you're a fairy. Oh, wretched. Well, that's it from me. Okay, hopefully you like it and get in touch soon, please, whether it's positive or negative.